Hello children, in this session we are solving exercise 1.1. Okay, along with this video I am sending PDF of solved exercise 1.1 that you have to copy. But the first main in the PDF is solved with other method. So here I am solving using the BODMAS rule. Okay, the first example is solve using appropriate property. You can use either of these, associative, distributive, anyone you can use and solve, but that becomes slightly lengthy. So I am using the BODMAS rule here. Okay, BODMAS stands for, you already studied in your previous class. B stands for brackets, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So when multiple operations are used, you have to use step by step solving the method. That is, which operation to be solved first. First always division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction here. Okay. So example is written. Now first we have to take multiplication. So I have grouped multiplication first here. The two examples in that. In one example only two parts are multiplication. Okay. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 here. Then minus 2 ones are minus 2, 5 ones are 5. Then this 5 by 2 as it is. Okay. Next 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 here. Again 1 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10. Now there are 3 fractions, 3 rational numbers. Again group 2 into 1 first. Then solve the third one. Okay. Now butterfly method. 2 twos are minus 4 with a minus sign here. 5 fives are plus 25. Then minus 4 plus 25. 5 twos are 10. Minus 4 plus 25 is 21 by 10. And this 1 by 10 as it is. But here denominators are same. No need to take LCM here. Directly you can subtract the numerators. 21 minus 1 is 20 by 10 as it is. So cancel here. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So the answer comes as 2. If you solve the same example using any of the other properties also, you will get the same answer. Now the second example. Here there are 3 parts here. Okay. First multiplication, second multiplication, third multiplication. Here you can't cancel anything. Multiply numerators as minus 6, denominators as 5 sevens are 35. Then 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4 here. Then here 2 ones are 2 sevens are. 1 ones are 1, 7 threes are 35. Again there are 3 rational numbers. Take the first 2 with the butterfly method. Okay, 6 fours are minus 24, 35 ones are minus 35 here. So minus 24 minus 35 by multiply these two, it is 140 and 1 by 35 as it is. Now this is minus 59 by 140 plus 1 by 35 as it is. Now here if you use butterfly method, numbers are quite big to multiply. Okay, then you will get a very big number of thousands in place of thousands. Okay, so better than that, here in this stage you use the LCM method here. Okay, LCM of 140 and 35, it is taken as 140. This is 7 into 5 into 4, that is 140 is LCM here. Okay, so LCM 140, 140 ones are 140, 35 fours are 140. Equate the denominators to LCM. Now 59 ones are minus 59, 4 ones are plus 4 here. What is minus 59 plus 4? One is a negative, one is positive. Subtract it with big number sign as minus here. So 59 plus 4 is 55 by 140. Now again you can cancel. 5 11s are 55. 5 28s are 140. So the answer is minus 11 by 28. If you solve this using again some distributive property or any other property, the answer comes the same here. Now second main is write the additive inverse of the following. What is additive inverse? Any number with negative sign becomes its not negative sign, with opposite sign becomes its additive inverse. So I am solving only 2 in this. Okay. So 2 by 8, what is its additive inverse? It will be same number with negative sign, minus 2 by 8. Because when you add these two numbers, 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8, the answer becomes 0. That is why additive inverse of any number is the same number with opposite sign. One more example, 2 by minus 9. What will be its additive inverse here? same number with opposite sign. It is a negative number, it becomes positive. 2 by 9. Because 2 by minus 9 plus 2 by 9. 1 plus 1 minus, cancel. Answer becomes 0 again. Now the third one. Verify that minus x minus of minus x is equal to, this is third example, x. Whether this is right for the given examples. One example I am solving, second example you have to solve. I am solving second, which is with the negative sign here. Okay. So x value here given as minus 13 by 7. So minus 13 by 7 we are substituting in the left hand side. Then check whether you get the x as same answer back. Okay. Minus 13 by 70. Minus as it is. This minus sign is with the before x. Value of x itself is again minus 13 by 17. So, minus and minus will be plus. Plus again with minus will be minus. The answer is minus 13 by 17, which is equal to x. So, this is right. This is satisfied. Now find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Here also I am solving one example. What is multiplicative inverse? Any number with its reciprocal, same sign remains the same, but reciprocal will be the multiplicative inverse. I am solving one example here in that fourth one. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. So first you have to solve it, then find its multiplicative inverse. Can we cancel anything here? Not possible. So multiply numerator with numerator. Minus and minus will be plus 15 by 8 sevens are 56. Now its multiplicative inverse will be same number but reciprocal. Sign will be same. Reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. Why? Because when you multiply these two numbers, you should get 1 as answer. Now see here, 15 by 56 into 56 by 15. 56 ones are 56 ones are 15 ones are 15 ones are. Answer comes as 1. So, multiplicative inverse of any number is same number, same sign but reciprocal. Question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in the following. What is the first property? Minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. This is commutative property. Second one. Minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Again commutative property. The next one is minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19. Just equal to 1. That is just now what I solved. It is multiplicative inverse. Question number 6 now. Multiply 6 by, question number 6. 6 by 13 with the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? It is 16 by minus 7. So, multiply it. 16 6 are 96 by 91 with a negative sign. Okay. Now question number 17. Tell what property is used here. Yes, the property used here is, just check it. It is 1 by 3 into bracket. Then the next one 1 by 3 into 6 and 1 bracket into 4 by 3. So it is associative property. Eighth one. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 by 8? If why? Why? If not, why not? Okay. So first take the number minus 1 integer. This is question number 8. 1 integer 1 by 8. So first step is what here? Convert this into improper fraction. 8 ones are 8 plus 1. 9 by 8. They have asked to check whether it is multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9. Is it possible looking at the number only we can tell? Because one is a positive number, the other one is a negative number. So how it can be a multiplicative inverse here? It cannot be. Okay. Next, question number 9. Is 0.3 multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 by 3? 0.3. Question number 9. 0.3. The first step is what then? Convert this number into a fraction. This is equal to 3 by 10. Is it an inverse of 3 integer 1 by 3? Yes, 3 3s are 9 plus 1. It is 10 by 3. What is inverse of 3 by 10? Reverse. It is 10 by 3. So this is right. Okay. One is a decimal and one is a fraction. It looks they are not inverse. But when you convert both of them to a fraction, then you will find that one is inverse of the multiplicative inverse of the other number. Question number 10. Fill in the blank. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Which rational number does not have a reciprocal? Means which cannot be reciprocal. It is 0. The rational number that are equal to the reciprocals. One rational number is equal to its reciprocal. Which is that? It is 1. How? Let us see here. If I take 1, 1 is written as 1 by 1. Positive 1 plus 1. What is its reciprocal? Yes. When you reciprocal it, it will be again 1 by plus 1. Answer remains the same. It is not the same with if you take as 2. 2 if you take it is 2 by 1. But when you reciprocal it becomes 1 by 2. Values are not same here. They are not equal. Same with the minus 1. Minus 1 if you take, its reciprocal will be 1 by minus 1. Or again minus 1 only becomes the answer here. Okay. So the reciprocal of the same will be plus 1 and minus 1 here. The rational number that is equal to its negative rational number. Any rational number, its value should be equal to its negative. Which is that one? That is only 0. Because 0 doesn't come under a positive number also, a negative number also. So, rational number that is equal to its negative rational number is 0. If you take any other rational number, for example 3, its negative number will be minus 3. They are not same. Their values are not same. One is on the right side of the number line, other one is on the left side of the number line. Only 0 is the answer here. Fill in the blanks. 0 has dash reciprocals, no reciprocals. Numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. Which are the numbers which are their own reciprocals? Plus 1 and minus 1. The reciprocal of 5 is, what is reciprocal of minus 5 is? It is minus 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by x. What is reciprocal of 1 by x? Reverse it, it will be x. Product of two rational numbers is always a rational number because commutative property. Reciprocal of a positive rational number. When you reciprocal a positive rational number, suppose if you reciprocal 2 by 5, what will be the answer? 5 by 2. But still it comes as a positive number only. So a reciprocal of a positive rational number is always a positive rational number. So along with this, I am sending a PDF of the exercise also. Please children solve all the examples, and commutative property, associative property and distributive property. 2 examples extra you have to solve. Take your own rational numbers and solve 2 examples each for each of the 3 properties. Thank you children.